Good up to you. My name is Alagation Elisha, and I will be your coach for this class. Alright, so I made a post about the logo on my Instagram page, and I said I want to repeat it in this particular video, which I would want you to go and revisit. Alright, so let's go straight to the practical. Yes, if you remember, I was making some post about their different kind of logos. You understand that they have different kind of logos. So let's decide to. Logo is very easy. It's one of the easiest things to ever do. Trust me. In graphics design, as far as graphics design is concerned, logo is one of the easiest to do. You understand? So let's go. Now, first of all, when you are to go to do your logo, you have to be for one of the things you need to work on is the kind of how would I put it, what are you designing for? Do you understand? Is it food? Is it church? Do you get what I'm saying? So you should understand what it is that you are what are you designing for. You understand? But I want some of you to go and read the Instagram post. That's why I won't be explaining much about this. So, which you all understand that this, for example, let me change the color. You understand? This is where take note of what I'm going to be doing. Since this perhaps will be your first time, you have to click on this. Go here, scroll to color. You change it, and mind you, this is Pixelab I'm using for my design. You scroll, you understand? So let's say that my background, this is, if you want to change your background, you come here, change your color. This is gradients. Gradients is like more than two color. One is color is just one. Gradient is more than one. For example, if you saw my design that I used for a particular food design like that I added Coca-Cola to it. This is it. This is gradient. This is the background I used for it, which is two. Look at the color here, for example, the deep and the lighter one. So, but this one is a logo. So let's make it white, for example. And now let's change the color of the logo. You understand? You want to understand that this particular logo is meant for a house. Do you understand? Like homes, real estate. You understand? So you just come here, you reduce the color, and you say let's call it Chisom Homes. You understand? Now you come here, depending on how you want to do it. So for example, I think I like this kind of style. Then you come here. Look, this is where you will change your font. This was where we used for usually when you're dealing with pictures. You understand? For your designs, you understand? Maybe you imported them from your gallery. This is where you have to deal with them. So for images, this is it. You come here. So I want to change my font, and I really do not even know the kind of font I want to use. Okay, I think I'm a fan of this of lately. Yes, choose some homes. You understand? This is it. Let's change the color to black also to make it blend. Let's change the color. Come here, black. And if you don't want to start stressing yourself on this one, you can just, maybe you want to change the homes to a lighter version. You understand? You can come here to font. Is it just to homes? I used the font I used is vertical. This is it. So I can just, this is the lighter version. Let's see. And it's making sense. Yeah, it is. You understand? You just reduce it. Is it? Click here. I want to put this in the middle. That's the reason why. Because I want to put it in the middle. Do you understand? I come here, make this together. This together. Yes, together. It's already in the middle. You understand? I want something. Now you need to understand that when you are doing a design, there should always be alignment. So this is not yet aligned. The reason is because I want to add some other things to it, like a tagline. So I just take it up, You understand? I can also add this kind of stuff. The reason we use this is for, it's just like you're using normal ruler, and you can see it's more aligned. You can see it's more aligned in this format. Okay. Come. Alright, that's it. You come here again, zoom out. Right. So you come here. Now let's come here. Yes. Giving you the best comfort. Giving you the best comfort. Yes, that's it. Yes, since we can, you can read this way. Since the name of the thing you are working on, Chisholm Homes, is in capital letter, you can decide to put it in small letter or capital letter depending on you. So don't forget to change the color. This is it. Come here, black, give it. Now when you come here, another thing you need to take note of is that when you're doing your design, when you're doing your design, you should be careful of your font. Ensure your font matches together. They must always rhyme, and I believe I'm going to do you a video on that very soon. So let's look for a matching. So it will not be bad if you use this. It will not be bad. Yes, it's not going to be bad. You have to reduce it. Understand? But I don't think I like this. Wait, let's try. Let me see. Do not forget, your images must always be aligned together. They must be aligned. They must be aligned. Yes. Can you see something amazing? Don't tell me who is that person you're gonna be doing this for that will not love it. You understand? Very simple. You understand? You can also change it back. Do you understand what I'm saying? Chisholm Homes. This is amazing. Loving. Then you come here, save your images. Most of the time, because we want it to always be sharp, come to Ultra, save it. Alright, so that is it. Very easy. Do you understand what I'm saying? You can now change the background again. Let's say, yeah, that reminds me, I think I saw something. I saw a specific and still get them. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so let's look for something that we can work on. Let's look for something we can work on. Why not use this? Now this is matching color. I know you understand what I'm saying. So you can just, this is where now I want to change the color. I want to change the color, so I came to this place, the color. And this is if you have the color code. If you have the color code, you can always put them here. But you come this particular place is a picker. You pick the exact color. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I pick it. 4B. Let's pick again. 4B. 4A7766. 4A7766. 4A77. Change it. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. Amazing. That's it. Now let's change this color. You come here, change the color, and that's another thing that makes the design more beautiful. You understand? Ensure they are matching. ECA7A2 ECE. That's it. ECA, it's not giving us what we want. ECA7 7A, is it not 2? It should be 2. And now let's check again. ECE7A2 ECE7A2 ECE7A2. Yep, that's it. Got it. amazing. Can you see? Can you see? So let me hide this one. Can you see? Amazing. So you already have the color ready, so there's no need to stress yourself. That's it. Amazing. Can you see? Amazing. You come back again, you can still change it again and again like that. You change the background. Now change the, you see, can you see what I did? I didn't move it. I clicked on this one and it's still on the background. So you come here for the color, give it something nice. Yeah, let's come here again. You give it something nice. Can you see? So it makes sense. Right, so oh God, that's it makes sense. Can come here, just save. Can you see? Very amazing. You understand? So that's another thing. You can also change it again. It's not necessary you follow my format. You can just come here, bring it on top. Yep. Yeah, bring it on top. Yeah, this one is for position. You understand? But I want it to, that's the middle. Yeah, can you see? So what now? If you look, there's a difference in this one. It's coming from the left to the right. So you come here, align it in the middle. There's no really problem with this. There's no problem with that. But it's not balanced. So what do I do? Yes, why do I say it's not balanced? Because there's space here and there's space here. It must always be balanced at all time. Come here, this and this, safely, and that's it. Still come here. You understand? So let's do another design. Let's another logo. Yes, we can. I think it's gonna be amazing. Can you see how it listen, look at, and there's something I want you to understand, that this logo, I have numerous of this logo which are red made, and they are somewhere, but you need to create yourself that's on Photoshop and the others. All these ones are kind of, let me use the word red made, you understand? So you just have to play around with them. What should we call this? What should we call this? Piggies nets. Like Piggies better. Yeah, see that. Can you see this? Very beautiful. Piggy better. If you notice, the B is bigger. It's because of is the letter. How would I explain this? I would say I would work on that. Can you see this? Pig is better. You get? So what do we do? Let's hide this. So what do? We come here. Maybe it's because I'm using one font for everything. Come here, my font better. You can decide to use everything. The recent, let's come here. Big is better. And just to spice it 1, 2, 3. Not necessary. It's not giving the beauty I want, and that's it. You can just come here.